What's up everybody, it's Jelly with Squid Industries, and today I'm going to be teaching you all 3 simple fan combos. Let's get right to it. The prerequisite tricks to these combos are the basic fan, the reverse fan, the backhand fan, and the forward palm fan. So if you already know those, then let's get to the breakdown. This first fan transfer we're gonna learn is the basic fan transfer to a forward fan open like that. Now to start, I'm gonna be holding onto the safe handle, but it doesn't really matter because you're not going to be doing any chaplains. So I'm gonna be fanning, and then I'm going to grab the bite handle like this, and do a fan, slow down, and then I'm going to come over top with my offhand, grab that bite handle, and then with my dominant hand, I'm going to then push the safe handle up like that so that it fans in my offhand. Now, if you can't fan on your offhand just yet, that's okay, because all you need to do is just a couple rotations. If you let your hand loose like this and then just push that safe handle, then it should do some fans on its own and it doesn't have to be super clean or continuous. And doing transfers like this is a good way to start getting familiar with flipping on your offhand as well. So grab on your offhand, do that motion like that, push that safe handle, and then when you push that safe handle, you can then keep your hand open after that push and then let that safe handle come back into your palm like this. And then from here, you're holding on to the bite handle on your offhand, so then you can push that bite handle into a forward fan. So if you haven't learned the forward fan, go check out our 3 swag fan tricks. It's gonna be in this upper right-hand corner again. And all you're doing is doing that same trick, but you're just assisting it with your offhand. So all together, it'll look like that. This next transfer is just the reverse version of that first transfer. So we're going to do a reverse fan transfer into a backwards palm fan like that. You're gonna start by holding on to the safe handle and getting into a reverse fan. When you're doing these fan transfers, it helps to have your hand at a 90-degree angle like this. Not full 90, because that would be really uncomfortable, but just bent a little bit so that it's easier for your offhand to grab the other handle. If you're fanning normally like this, it's really hard to grab the other handle with your offhand because it has to come in at a weird angle. So just make it easy for yourself to grab that bite handle. And then once you grab that bite handle, you're going to use your dominant hand now to push the safe handle so that it does a fan on your offhand. So do that single fan, and then when you do that fan, you're going to keep your hand open up top here. So spin it like this, and then that safe handle is going to come up to this position where you'll grab it like this. And then from here, you want to turn the bally a little bit more horizontal in your hand before you do that backwards fan open. Once you're in this position, I'm going to use my thumb again to push that bite handle so it does that backwards fan. And then I'm just going to jiggle my hand up and down, letting it fan a little bit before I let this bite handle come up. And then once I see it coming up like this, I'm just gonna open up the rest of my fingers and then catch that bite handle. All together, it'll look like this. This next fan transfer is a little bit funky, so you're gonna do the exact same Rev Fan Transfer, but once you get to this position, instead of using your offhand to let it fan independently in your dominant hand, you're going to use the thumb on your offhand to guide the fan the entire way. So you can even extend this part of the trick even further if you want. You can make it go on forever. And the grip on your dominant hand should be a little bit loose so that the trick looks smooth and not all choppy, like if your grip was really strong on the handle that you're holding on to. So make it nice and smooth like this, and once it does 1.5 rotations and the butt handle is on the back of your hand, you're then going to turn your wrist like this. So turn your wrist in, and then from here, your thumb on your offhand is still on that bite handle, and then I like to just push it into that backhand fan. Your thumb isn't doing much here, you're still doing the backhand fan mostly with your right hand. It just looks a little cooler, and it does give a little bit of a push to get into that backhand fan. So all together, it'll look like this. Here are a couple more complex combos that use some of these fan transfers in them. All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for today's tutorial. If you managed to learn any of those combos, then leave a like. And of course, if you have any other combos or tricks you wanna learn, then drop them down in the comment section so we can make a tutorial for it. Also, visit the Squid Industries website so you can pick up a Balisong trainer and start flipping. And of course, I will leave you all with a quick flipping clip, so I'll see y'all next time. Peace.